Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my weekly tarot and crystal guidance video for June the 25th to July 1st. I don't know about you, but I can't believe we're already going to July. We're 6 months over the year. I don't know about you, but a lot of things have happened this year for me, and there's been a lot of transformation, a lot of change, and I kind of am ready to really kick things into high gear for the rest of the year. So the first card for Monday the 25th is the Ace of Pentacles. This is possibilities with a new income, a new side of ideas. Financial opportunities are going to present themselves on Monday the 25th. And it could be in the form of a bonus, an unexpected kind of like the universe giving you money in ways that you can't even fathom. So be open to the possibilities of having a new stream of income and be thankful, show gratitude. So the crystal card for 25th is Orange Calcite. It is about joy. Be happy for the good things that are coming into your life and connects to your sacral chakra, which is all about Snaps is obsessed with the laser. So the laser is like really kind of makes him crazy happy. So we're going to play with the laser so that he doesn't jump up on the chair thing today. So Orange Calcite is all about joy, and it links the emotional body, mind, and spirit and brings joy and helps process emotions. And the question is, are you ready for unlimited joy? So when an opportunity for financial prosperity comes into your life, be thankful for it. Show joy. Be excited. Don't look at it in a negative, pessimistic way. Look at it in a positive way. Show thanks and gratitude, and more joy will flow into your life. Tuesday the 26th is all about, oh my god, I love this card. Major Arcana, so it's a big deal. We've got one of my favorite cards. It is the Magician, and the Magician represents the ability to manifest things that you desire, having all the abilities of like the money, the intellect, the emotional, and the intellectual strength to visualize what you desire and manifest it into reality. You have the power to make things come true, and use it. Make a vision board of what you want and bring it into reality. What is it you truly desire? And when I do share readings with you, I ask them, what is it that you want? What do you want to do with your life? Where is it? What isn't working for you? And what can we do to change it? Because you can do it. And the crystal card that corresponds with this is Aqua Aura Quartz. And it connects to the throat chakra, and it's about expression, and it's about listening. It definitely creates a strong connection between the throat chakra, your throat chakra, and your third eye to facilitate communication with other realms. How can you allow more time to listen? So if you listen to what the universe is telling you and showing you, and this is like seeing angel numbers, walking by conversations and people talking about stuff that kind of pertains to like the existential questions that you've been asking yourself. When you listen to the universe, you're able to manifest the things that you desire. So listen. So Wednesday the 27th is, wow, this 8 of Pentacles. And the 8 of Pentacles is all about investing money into a craftsmanship. What kind of hobby or what kind of passion, if you put money into it by getting equipment or the things that you need, can make you more money. Invest in the things that you love. Like turn that hobby into a side hustle. Get a Shopify account. Start selling knickknacks and things that you've collected. Turn the things that you didn't think you could make money with into money. That is a powerful message. So the crystal card that corresponds with for Wednesday is the guidance card about chakras, which we're going to pull another one. Well, it's Kunzite, and Kunzite connects to the heart. So it's all about divine love and helps you to release negativity in your heart, replacing it with divine love. And the question it brings is, what will help you feel that the universe is there for you? So what thing that you've collected and love and you keep doing and you kind of think in your own mind, I can never make money at this, I can never do this full time. Well, the universe says that you can, and I get to do lots of wonderful things all the time, and I never thought in a million years that I'd be able to do them. But I just kept doing them, and the universe took care of me. So sometimes you just have to let that happen. So we've got Thursday, and it's all about, on Thursday, there's serious conflict and blockage with your life purpose. And it could be happening at your job. It could be happening with, what you want to do with your life, or the things or the people around you who are preventing you from moving forward. Maybe the people you're working with are not listening to your guidance and your suggestions. And the only way to move forward is to compromise. Sometimes you have to work as a team in order to achieve a goal instead of you doing things your way or the highway. So Thursday is going to be about compromising in a group temporarily so that you can achieve your life purpose. It's very interesting. So the crystal card that corresponds with this is Tiger's Eye, and this is strength. Sometimes you need strength to get through these kind of situations. So on Thursday, find strength, confidence to make, Tiger's Eye brings confidence to make decisions with easy and to implement follow-up action. And the question it brings to mind is, has a decision you have put off impacted your life? That is very, 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 very thing. So the thing is, it's like, if you keep putting something off, it's just going to create more and more blockage. Do things assertively and do what you can and do in the best of your ability. So Friday the 29th of June, it's about 9 of high snaps. It's the 9 of swords. And the 9 of swords is about anxiety, stress, staying up at night, worrying about the things that are out of your control. Stop worrying and let go of them so that you can shut down all of the notifications that are going on in your mind and let things be. Let the universe take control, because no matter what, there's only things that you can do, and just do them. If you can't control other people or circumstances, then you have to just let it go to the universe and not let it keep you up at night. So the crystal card that corresponds with this is Apothelite, which is astral travel. It connects to the crown chakra, and it is all about astral travel. And astral travel is very much about for connecting to spirits and the Akashic Records, and for astral travel. So connecting to the Akashic Records is all about connecting to the vault of infinite knowledge. And if you connect to the infinite knowledge, you know that everything has kind of already happened and will happen, is kept in the Akashic Records. So if you connect to it and you're able to travel to that thing, there's a divine kind of sense of knowing that what is going to happen has happened, but in a positive way, and that all you can do is be happy and live in the moment and be present. So the question it brings to mind is, do you have magic in your life? So find the magic in your life, and then you're not able to be super stressed out about it. Find the magic. Come on, find the magic. So Saturday the 30th, we've got the Hierophant. And the Hierophant is the 5th card in the Major Arcana, and it's about finding your own rules and creating your own religion based on your spirituality and your beliefs. Letting go of the past religious and traditions and making up your own traditions to better serve you and serve others and help others. So the thing is, it's like we live in a modern age where it's a mix match and everyone's all on their own journey, and organized religion doesn't really work anymore because we live in such a high, fast-paced, jetting towards the singularity, which means things are moving to a point where we're becoming infinite. People are going to be able to live for hundreds and hundreds of years. Diseases will be cured instantaneously, and money will become as plentiful as water with technology if we keep doing things in a positive way. So it means that technology is going to become as wondrous as spirituality and religion, and we have to treat it in a holistic sense. So create your own spiritual practices, honor your own traditions, and keep building the religion of you. So Saturday, the crystal card is Moonstone. It's about divine feminine, connecting to the crown chakra again, and it connects to the moon energy and increases your intuition. So it's very important when the Hierophant shows up is listen to your intuition when it comes to following your spiritual practices. Can you be following your intuition more? Hell yeah, listen to your intuition. It's so important. So Sunday, Canada Day here in Canada, July 1st, we've got the 4 of Cups. And the Four of Cups is being bored with what's being offered. Kind of doesn't matter how wonderful and great your life looks from the outside. It's about becoming stagnant. And if you feel that you've become bored with where you are in your life and things are getting stagnant, you need to reassess and set new goals about what it is you desire. Keep moving forward. Keep the pace, because if you're a highly energetic person like me, I need to keep raising the bar. I need to keep leveling up. And if I just stay where I'm at and kind of become complacent, I become very unhappy and miserable. So keep thundering ahead. Keep moving forward, setting the goal higher and higher and higher. Keep challenging yourself, and don't become stagnant. And the last but not least, on Canada Day, which is a holiday here in Canada, is Red Calcite, root chakra. It's all about increased physicality. Go out and get some exercise. Enjoy the sunshine and the wonders of... Red Calcite invigorates the root chakra to resolve sexual and other root chakra issues. And the question it brings to mind is, hi, snaps. How can you balance your mind with your physical body? Find a connection between your mind and your practices and connect it to your physical body. Exercise as often as possible. Set up a routine. Create a eating routine. Remember to breathe, blink, and hydrate. It's very important. So thank you very much for listening to yet again another weekly tarot and crystal guidance video. Thank you for everybody who's been signing up for my online workshops on Udemy. And thank you for everybody who's been coming in for readings and in-person workshops at Happy Soul 961 Belore. If you're interested in getting your own copy of the crystal guidance crystal cards from Happy Soul, created by Diane Cooley and myself, they're available for sale on happysoulonline.com. Thank you for all your messages, and I love making these weekly videos. Have an amazing week, guys. Bye.